In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to replace a standard kitchen faucet. The first step is probably my favorite step in the process. That's where we go to the faucet aisle of our favorite hardware store. And you get to pick out the kitchen faucet that you've always dreamed of. This customer was interested in a hands-free faucet with a brushed nickel finish. So we picked out this one that's going to work really well. The next step is to shut off the hot and cold water supply below the sink. And once they're shut off, I like to test it to make sure that they're off. And the next thing we do is disconnect the hoses from those valves. I like to grab a cup to catch any water discharge that there might be. And now we're going to apply new Teflon tape to the valves. And we want to make sure that we go around 3 times on each stem. And of course, be sure to wrap the tape in a clockwise rotation. Next, we're going to loosen this retaining nut from underneath the counter. It's what's holding that faucet in place. We're going to remove this set screw completely. And now the nut should twist right off. And we're going to remove this guard. And now the old faucet should slide right out. And we're gonna clean that area, make sure there's no gunk or anything that's gonna cause a problem for the new faucet. I'm gonna remove the retaining nut from the new faucet. Obviously hold on to that because we're gonna use it underneath in just a minute. And once I have that removed, the new faucet is going to go in just like the old one came out. Get all those hoses down in there nice and neat. We don't want anything to be crimped. So we're going to take our time and make sure everything gets in there the way it should. There we go. Now I'm going to pull those hoses down below and slide the washer over all of the hoses and up into place. And now for the retaining nut, back these screws out flush to the one side of the retaining nut. Again, we're going to fish all of those hoses and wires through the center of the retaining nut, slide it all the way up to the top, and fasten it into place. Once I have that loosely fastened, I go up top and make sure that the faucet is aligned correctly. And then we're going to tighten down on these set screws. Reconnect the hoses and turn the water back on. Now, because this faucet is a hands-free faucet, we are going to have to hook up the battery pack. And wire it to the faucet. And that's what controls the hands-free sensor. And we're going to test it a couple of times. Good to go. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please consider subscribing to my channel for more helpful handyman tips and tricks.